Hello! In this video I will show you how to create a series of hardware for flap doors. In this case, each part of the series has a different drilling positions depending on the flap door's height. If you follow these instructions, you can make sure that the correct drilling pattern will be selected automatically. First of all, go to the Front tab and open the menu for flap door settings. In this menu you can create new flap door fittings, and when you have a new fitting that has same name than the other ones of the same series, followed by the greater than symbol and a value for minimum height of the flap door, the correct one of those within the same series will be selected automatically. Make sure that in each of these members of the series the drillings are placed correctly. Then save the settings and close the window. And when adding flap doors to your drawing, with one of the fittings here of the series selected, no matter what value follows the greater than symbol, it will be selected automatically. Let's check in the glass view here. In this case, the flap door has a height of 254.333 millimeters. As you can see, the hinge for flap doors greater than 320 is selected. Here in this case, when the flap door has a height of 381.5, the fitting for greater than 380 is selected, and here when the flap door has a height of 782, it is the one for at least 430 mm. Thank you for watching.